Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. So I'm starting with Monday. I'm doing dinners of the week and we had my crockpot lamb stew, which you can actually find on this channel. And look at it there, absolutely delicious. And what a beautiful meal to have on a winter's evening. Tuesday I tried a new dish which is called hot dog fried rice, because my freezer defrosted a little bit overnight and there were hot dogs that were defrosted, so I needed to use them up. And this was absolutely delicious. Google it, hot dog fried rice. Absolutely delicious. Wednesday, here's just a little snack that we had later on in the day, and you can check it out on my channel. I uploaded it on Sunday. It is baked Doritos, cheesy Doritos, yum yum. And Wednesday for dinner, it was, you know, that TikTok viral thing with the feta cheese and the cherry tomatoes, and I put in some mozzarella that I needed to use, and I've grated cheese as well, and drizzle with olive oil, and then pop it in the oven until everything is nicely roasted, about a half an hour. And then while it's in the oven, have your pasta cooking and then mix it all up together, and it's absolutely delicious. And you pop it back in the oven again then to make it all golden and delicious. Okay, that was Wednesday. Thursday we had fajitas, chicken fajitas, and I forgot to show it all plated up, but this is it. There's the chicken cooking with the spicy powder that comes with it, and with the cherry tomatoes, and later on then we would have added in the lettuce and more cheese, and absolutely delicious. Just a quick fajita dinner kit. And then Friday I made fish pie, my speciality fish pie. Let me know if you'd like to see a video on this. But there's all 5 ready to pop into the oven. The 2 big ones for the adults, the 3 little ones for the 3 kids, and they absolutely devoured it. It was absolutely delicious. And I'll show you now out of the oven, golden deliciousness. And I served it with some salad and some coleslaw. Absolutely fabulous. And that was Friday. Saturday we went for a ham omelette served with roasted potatoes and some salad, and it went down a treat. And some garlic bread, of course, thrown on the side. A bit of coleslaw as well, I think I added in as well. But it was absolutely delicious, and that was a quick, simple Saturday dinner. And I'm just going to show you as well, one of the afternoons while I was here on my own, I had just a quick little omelette myself for my brunch with a slice of brown bread. So there you have it. There were our meals of the week. Sunday we were visiting for dinner, so I didn't want to go taking any pictures. We had pork chops with chips, so that was it was lovely to get it cooked for me. And so there you have it, the meals of the week. I hope you're all having a wonderful week this week and having a wonderful Advent. And thank you for all of you subscribing and for new subscribers. And I'll see you all again soon. Hit the bell button, hit the thumbs up. God bless. Bye.